I'm going to show you today some of the drawing tools in Whiteboard.fi. This is your teacher dashboard where you can toggle back and forth between your whiteboard and your class's whiteboard. You also have some controls over the student whiteboards. You can have a waiting room, lock the room. You can enable students to upload images or force a slow or simple mode to them. You can also clear all of their whiteboards here, which is a handy time saver, and close your room when you're finished. You have several drawing tools across the top. The first one is just a free drawing tool, just to draw on your whiteboard using your mouse or your mouse pad or your laptop touchscreen. You can also erase, you can add text. It's going to pop in the word text, and then you double click on it to change the word there. You just backspace through text and type what you want. You can change the font and the color at the bottom. You also have some choices for lines and arrows. And you can also build different kinds of shapes. You'll have to choose a fill color and a border color and type. And then you click and drag the shape on the drawing board. So that's the same for the triangle, the square, and the circle. And then for the polygon, you click and draw for each corner that you want to build the shape that you would like. Once you're done, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner a button that says Stop Drawing a Polygon, and then it'll just snap to the last corner you made. You also have the option to upload an image, so it'll grab an image off of your desktop, and then you can move that around, you can resize it, and so on. And then a really useful feature you have next is the background image. So this is great if you want to provide your students with a graphic organizer or something that you don't want them to change it, but you want them to draw on top of it. So here's an example of a graphic organizer. And then at the bottom under actions, I can push this out to all the students. So it would show up on all of their whiteboards automatically, and then they could start adding to it. And then you can see the button to clear this, the screen. Also, we have a tool for building math equations and adding graph paper to this if you like. The math tool allows you to type in a math equation, and you have to play around with it for how to do the fractions. Use a forward slash. You can also do exponents on here, and there's also options for latex code. And then you pop it in there. It's like a picture. You can move around or resize it. You can also push that math problem out to your class using the actions button and clear your board. And so those are some of the tools in Whiteboard.fi right now. Keep an eye out because they're constantly changing their offerings on that website.